We'll guide you through how to create titles in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and go to the Edit It page where you'll see the timeline at the bottom. To add a title, look at the top left corner of the screen and click on the Effects library if it's not already open. Within that, you'll see the Titles section. Click on it to reveal different title options like Text, Text Plus, and Fusion titles. Let's start simple with the Text option. Drag and drop the text option onto your timeline above your video track. Once it's on the timeline, click on the title clip to highlight it. Now, look at the inspector panel on the top right. Here you can change the text by typing directly into the text box. You can also adjust the font, size, color, and position to fit your style. If you want more advanced options, you can use Text Plus. It offers more customization like 3D text and animations. Simply drag the Text Plus onto the timeline and highlight it. In the inspector, you'll find more settings under the Title tab. You can animate the text using keyframes for dynamic titles. If you're feeling adventurous, explore the Fusion titles for pre-made animations. Just drag and drop them onto your timeline as well. Adjust the duration by dragging the edges of the title clip. Once you're happy with your title, play back your video to see how it looks. You can always go back and make changes to any of the settings in the inspector. With these steps, you can create professional-looking titles for your videos in DaVinci Resolve. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.